In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ISIN in interactive brokers. If you've ever needed an international securities identification number for a stock, ETF, or bond you already trade, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look inside Trader Workstation, often called TWS. First, open TWS and get to the instrument you care about in either your watch list or your portfolio. These are the easiest places to start because they already contain the symbols you follow or hold. If you keep multiple watch lists, pick the one where the instrument is listed. Make sure you're looking at the correct symbol and exchange, since different listings and share classes can have different identifiers. Next, in that list view, right-click directly on the row for the security. Be precise and click on the row itself, not an empty area around it. On a Mac, a control click works the same way. Right-clicking brings up a context menu that's specific to the instrument you selected, which is what we need. From the context menu, choose Financial Instrument Info, then select Description or Details. In most layouts, these options sit near the top of the menu. Either Description or Details will take you to the instrument's full contract data. If you see both, Description is often the quickest route, but Details contains the same core identifiers. When you open it, a new window or panel will appear with the official name, trading class, exchange, and other attributes. Inside this description or details window, look for the identifiers section. Here is where you should see ISIN listed when it's available for that instrument. It may appear alongside other identifiers like QSIP or CDOL, depending on the security and region. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the pane or expand any collapsed sections. Some layouts group identifiers under labels like identifiers, contract details, or security details. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. Not every product shows an ISIN in TWS. Many common stocks, ETFs, and bonds will have one, but certain instruments, such as derivatives, may not display an ISIN at all. Also, if you're checking a cross-listed stock, remember that each listing can have its own identifier conventions. Verifying the exchange and the official instrument name helps ensure you're reading the correct ISIN. That's it. Open TWS, locate the instrument in your watch list or portfolio, right-click it, go to Financial Instrument Info, choose Description or Details, and read the ISIN in the Details panel. Follow these steps anytime you need to confirm an identifier quickly and confidently.